Hi, Marcy Hutz here with Keleher Co, and I wanted to introduce you to 91 Raglan Unit 203. When I tell you this is a retirement country club situation, I mean it. By the way, Matt Hubbs, my son, this is where I want to wind up. So please step in, take the tour. You've got a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo where you can be completely independent, but you're also part of the Raglan Club where you have all kinds of incredible amenities. Bar, exercise, classes every day. You can be as social as you want, and underground heated parking. Let me tell you, this is the epitome of retirement life. Step in, take the tour. I'm sure you'll have a wonderful experience. Cheers.